Hi friends, welcome back. In today's section, we will learn how to get a values from given two different dates in Excel. Let's see. We will use sum if s function. Here sum range, comma, then criteria range. You will select this date range, comma, criteria condition in. Here we will use quotation greater than equals, then quotation. Here we will add and symbol, then we will select the starting date. This is our first condition, comma. Now second condition, for this we will again select the date range, comma. Now again condition, for this now we will use quotation less than symbol, less than or equal to, and the end date, close. Here we will enter 1st November 23 and we will enter here 30 November 23. See, so in these 2 days the value is coming as 2080. Perfect. Now again I will change the date. Here I will enter 9th December 23. See here, the value is coming 2280. Perfect. Now here I will change 1st Jan to 28th February. So here total is coming 2500. Perfect. So now I will add first date and last date. See how much is coming. So total is coming 5030. Perfect. Hope this section is useful for you. If you have any doubts or queries, as always, you can use the comment box. Thank you for watching this video.